So Realme's next big thing is going to be the GT8 series. Rumor has it, the GT8 and GT8 Pro will drop side by side in October. No more staggered drama. And both phones are said to run Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, so expect raw power across the board. The GT8 Pro looks like the Flex. It's got a flat 6.8 f5 2K Samsung OLED with anti-reflective glass, which should make it easier to see in direct sunlight. A huge 7000 mAh plus battery with 100-watt charging and a metal frame that finally looks and feels premium. No more plasticine vibes. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the camera. Realme is bringing the 200 megapixel Periscope, the Samsung ISO HP9. You know how every brand is obsessed with megapixels these days? Well, this time it's not just marketing speak, it's the real deal. Proper zoom energy. Let me give you the short version. Better chips, better displays, better batteries, and a camera that could actually compete. If Realme nails this, they'll be back in the heavyweight conversation. They got the right formula for success. They just need to execute. Now let's keep it locked. I'll keep you posted with all the fast updates. You don't want to miss this. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one.